Welcome to Miet Kumaon. Miet Kumaon is located in Haldwani, Uttarakhand, and is affiliated with Kumaon University. We not only focus on academics but also on providing holistic and world-class facilities. We ensure state-of-the-art infrastructure, excellent placement record since inception, good exposure to students on all fronts. We are happy to say that Miet Kumaon Haldwani is going to organize an e-poster competition for school and college level. Theme for e-poster competition is Prevention and Protection from Corona Pandemic Disease. Here is your chance to show off the good work that you do. Moving towards registration details, registration will be free of cost. Entries will be taken on provided link. Check out the description box too. And the last date for registration is 30th May 2020. We are inviting submission and happy to receive it. The deadline for submission of poster is 5th of June 2020. The main aim of this competition is to raise awareness of this issue and enable students and young people to learn about this topic. We will award e-certificates to all winners in respective categories mentioned in the registration form. Selected posters will be uploaded on our official Facebook page. So hurry up and grab the chance before it's gone.